In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and start a new sprint in Jira. Begin by opening Jira in your browser and going to the main Jira area where you can see your projects. This is the easiest place to orient yourself because it confirms you are in the right Atlassian site and ready to work. From this screen, click the highlighted option that takes you into the connected workspace, then click the next highlighted option to continue into the area where templates are available. Once the templates page loads, select OK to confirm the prompt you see. This step simply clears the message so you can move forward without interruptions. After that, click the highlighted area again to open the template selection controls. Then click the next highlighted field to place your focus in the template search. Now type Sprint into the search field. This helps you quickly filter down to the template you need instead of scrolling through a long list. When the sprint-related template appears, click Use. Jira will open a new page based on that template, and you will land in an editor view where you can fill in the sprint details. At the top of the page, click the highlighted area to make sure you are actively editing the template content. Next, click into the Sprint Team Members section. This is where you record who is participating in the sprint, which is useful for clarity and accountability during planning and daily work. Then click on the Sprint Planning Checklist section. This area is designed to guide you through the key pieces of planning, so it is a good place to work from as you prepare to start your sprint. Within that checklist area, click Sprint Team Members again to review or update the participant list as needed, and then click Sprint Planning Meeting Items to capture what you will cover during the planning session. After that, click Previous Sprint Summary so you can reference what happened last time, which helps you plan realistically. Then click Velocity Tracking to note your typical delivery pace, followed by Adjusted Velocity Tracking to account for time off, capacity changes, or other constraints. Finally, click Sprint Planning Resources to access supporting links or materials tied to your planning process. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.